275 pounds from Sunset Beach, Hawaii. And here's the Rock as he uses his massive upper body strength to pile drive his opponent, Darryl Nichols, down and out.
Superfly, Jimmy Snuka.
On my way to solitude. Oneness. That's why I started it all, Snuka. That's where I found it all. That's why I went looking for it.
And, of course, I've got to bring up the subject of your opponent, the challenger in this particular case, the great Pat Patterson out of San Francisco, California.
Oh, my goodness. My goodness. I have a whole recording of Pat Patterson's interviews, a recording of his wrestling matches, a recording of Pat Patterson's most exciting moments, and I play them every night before I go to sleep because they put me to sleep. He is boring. He is boring. Pat Patterson is probably the most boring person I have ever come across in my life. When I sit here, I want to pick my nose and yawn and just go, oh, he's boring. Isn't he boring? When I come popping in, have you ever ridden a hurricane, grabbed it by its mane, and heard it squeal? Sure, I know what it's like to get hurt. But I like it.
You know, I've tried this, what they call windsurfing, and I couldn't be more impressed than seeing the Magnificent Muraco from Sunset. I saw you surfing over there in those huge breakers in Hawaii.
Above all, you have hard, vigorous workouts, you know, in the water, on the sand, up and down the mountains, running and training. But then you got to watch your diet. At a certain time, every day, every 3-4 hours, you got to eat. As a matter of fact, it's time right now. Would you like a donut?
A donut?
A donut. But you weren't the man you were. You lost that spark. You lost that fire. Only one of us will find the solitude that we deserve. The greatness that only stands alone for one at the very top.